Let's go. Yep. Yeah. Let's go. Let us go, people. Hold on. Just got to make sure I don't have any things up that are going to get me in trouble.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
All right, here's the deal, people. Give me the meat and give it to me raw. Oh, baby girl. It's
Welcome
raw
to
meat.
Costco. I love you.
Dude, I was talking to my boss earlier today. Whatever time it was. Okay, I was talking to him. Porque Maria Tokyo! I was talking with my boss earlier today. And
Welcome
I was
to
just,
Costco.
we were
I
on
love
Meet,
you.
Google Meet. And I was just like, yeah, you know, I'm like, something along the
Welcome
lines
to
of,
Costco.
I
love
need
you.
to, like, we're going to need to have or this meet session is going hard. I said some stupid phrase like that. Because we were just going, we were really trying to, like, figure out an issue that was happening in prod. So I was like, this Google Meet session's
Welcome
going
to
hard.
Costco.
And I'm like,
I love you.
I don't think I'm allowed to say that to my boss. Like usual, yeah, Gen Z talk. Just what it is, okay? Kazera, let's go. Hello, Twinkle Toe Sven. Thank you very much. Hey, Prime, hey, how you doing? Slight, let's go. Tier 1, appreciate it. Especially with the new Twitch 70/30 split coming up. Appreciate those tier 1s, baby. Hey, Kai Clan, thank you very much. Prime installing cargo. Already did it. Already done it. We'll do it again. Things well for you and the family. Things are going well. Thank you very much. Monty Coder, what up, my guy? What up? I've been stood up in a meeting right now. Oh, that's so annoying. I hate being stood up, and I hate accidentally standing up somebody. What the hell are you drinking? A smoothie. Do you not know what a smoothie is?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Are you unfamiliar? Are you confused? Do you need me to explain it to you? It's actually pretty straightforward. That was the strangest thing that has ever happened to me. I just clicked a button, and it loaded a completely separate playlist. Oh, I love this song. I like it. I like it. I'm doing my first on-call today ever. Ooh. And I got called 5 minutes into it. What have I done? Dude, on-call sucks. Came here for the 100 devs because Leon speaks so highly of you. Is Leon still speaking of me? You know, I would equally speak highly of Leon. He is doing amazing work. He's extremely talented. He is honestly an amazing, great person to be around. I think Leon is fantastic. He has been a part of this programming stream journey from one of the earlier ones. Leon.
Welcome to Costco.
You can clip it, you can
you.
ship it, and you can tag Leon in it. I completely think he's fantastic. Crank it, EDM and low file while on the call. Yeah. This is kind of like a low. I love Steamfunk. Steamfunk has so many bangers. Came for the Vim, stayed for the amazing content. Have you ever got a long beard? No, I've had long hair though. Is this a reference to you? Oh, I'm turning down notification levels.
Turns all your bad feelings into good feelings.
Wow, he's premiering this way out. I just assume this is a reference to a typical Rust Foundation member. Am I wrong? Is this a Rust Foundation committee member? All right, alerts back up. Dude, this has been linked so many times. How many times has this thing been linked? It's been linked like 9,000 times, okay? It's 2001. I don't want to read this one because I need a new version. Golang has changed a lot in the last 2.5 years or 2 years. 2 years, 3 months. A lot. Russ came up with the new leadership thing yesterday. I know, I saw that. Another day, another educational channel. Hey, stop gaslighting. Hey, between AWS, GCP, and Azure, which one should I stay away from? Well, definitely Google. You work at Netflix. Where's season 2 of Arcane then, huh? I don't know. Have you tried Googling it? The guy talked about it like 2 months ago, dummy. The creator is literally talking about it.
Welcome to Costco. I love
You want me, the guy not working on it, or do you want the guy who is making it? when is Avatar: The Last Airbender coming out? Is that the one with all the blue people that hop through the forest representing the Afghanistan war? Is that the one we're talking about? The Last Oil Bender? You know what I mean? Brother, I've seen you on YouTube. 55-year-old retired programmer. Well, hell yeah. Lucky you. You got out. You got in. You got
Welcome
out.
to
Viewers to
Costco.
code.
I love you.
You owe it to your viewers to code. I do owe it to my viewers to code. D-Wordcito. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Morshana. Thank you for the community sub. Jake Ithias. Wouldn't have thought that Google's meat is very hard, but I'm willing to believe otherwise. It takes some time. Right code, funny man. Okay, tech, calm down. Rank Shank. Thank you very much for the brand new Twitch Prime. Hell yeah, let's go. 25 years. Oh, okay, hold on. I have been coding for 25 years and never coded in Vim. And after watching your content, seeing how fast you are, I bought a split keyboard thingy and uninstalled VSC. Everyone at work is laughing at me, but I have faith. It takes a little bit, takes time. Get in. First time watching live. Okay, I'm interviewing with Netflix today, by the way. Really? Who you interviewing with? Hell yeah. The Rando web dev video. I love Rando. Big Rando 42069. Big D Rando. Path becoming Chad takes time. Yeah. Interviewing at Netflix, by the way. Graybeards unite. says I am a meat popsicle. Thank you for the hype train level 2. The commitment. Unbeatable.
Welcome to
Apache.
Costco.
First time
I love
here
you.
doing my PhD in math, but no longer, but I no longer want to pursue a career in academia. I want to go in tech. Do you think doing Coursera certificates can get me into tech? Yeah, I think Coursera is a pretty good place. You suck? Thanks, Bisco. I try to every day. Hey, Bisco, did you see my message in the executive chat? I will be D4ing. Hey, guess what? Could you elaborate on imperative versus declarative programming, please? What I get is in declarative programming, you hide imperative code behind API calls, a bonehead version. Am I lost in the point? Nah, you pretty much got it. You pretty much nailed it. I'll carry your ass. Pisco, you carry my ass with or without D4 involved, okay? We all know it. We all know this. Nick Waters,
Welcome to
thank you very much.
Costco. I love you.
My wife just made me a smoothie with a straw, too. Oh, hey. Cheers, wife. Work is flying me out to the U.S., and I'm thinking of picking up a Kinesis 360. Do you still recommend it? I've been using Kinesis forever. Okay? I love Kinesis. If they paid me $0, I would use Kinesis. This is a good way to think of it, is this right here. The problem about HTML is that HTML can become imperative by injecting JavaScript into it, because JavaScript itself
Welcome
is the
to Costco.
imperative part.
I love you.
Hey, thank you very much, Monty Coder. I feel so old with my one-piece QWERTY keyboard. What's your favorite anime? Oh, you don't know? It's the anime I make with your mom. Huh? There you go. That's 95% of anime that I just did. How did I do? Huh? Pretty good, huh? That's also like 95% of Zelda sounds. Zelda, literally, go play Zelda, and it's just like, huh? Huh? There you go. Nailed it. What the F is going on here? Okay, don't judge me. Have you not been to Kakariko Village in Breath of the Wild? The Oni-chan? Yeah. Waifu stream called it the Uwu-wajen. I had met a real girl yesterday. I missed the stream. Don't lie to me. Is her name Arch? Is Teach faster typer than Prime? Yeah. Teach also is like 10 years my younger. Are you planning on reviewing this? Give me a title. This is getting put into the compilation. Thank you, ThePrimeagen. I am ThePrimeagen. Yesterday, furry. Now, uwu today. How fast do I type? Somewhere between like 100 to 130. You know what I mean? You should make an OnlyFans. OnlyFans.com/ThePrimeagen. I clearly have one. Okay? You may not realize this, but I have one. I genuinely have been thinking about uploading pictures of me licking my keyboard. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, because I've been licking this keyboard for free on Twitch. And maybe, just maybe. Dude, by the way, my editor Flip, Flip. Flip is so he's been really like, he's all very, he's curious about this whole Kick thing that's going on, right? Everyone's seeing Kick and all that, and like, what is Kick doing? What's going on? Why do I have a boner? I get it. Anyway, so Flip tunes into Kick last night. Okay, Kick. Now, when I started off in the Fortnite days, I had a group of friends who streamed with. One of them blew up, okay? One of them became a very popular streamer for a little while, but has hence moved over to Kick. And I kid you not, this person, when Kick was opened up, was one of their top streamers on Kick. And my friend opened it up, and there's just actual titties flying around on Kick. And I realized that it makes me think that Kick is probably going to get sued into oblivion. It's just going down. There's just no way you could open up without verifying your age, having titties everywhere, gambling titties and $100 million contracts. Somehow I believe they can make the money, but I think they're going to get in too much trouble. Stake.com has, yeah, they do have a ton of money from taking advantage of people. Recently found your YouTube vids and love it. Any advice for a 39-year-old about a year out from finishing a WGU comp sci? Previously, occupations include aircraft mechanic, Disney, ice skater. Ooh, okay, small business owner in heavy construction. I think business owner, heavy construction, very important. Aircraft mechanic, you can talk a lot about that. But obviously, if the shoe fits, talk about that Brian Boitano moment, okay? Talk about it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, XQC contract, basically one gigantic ad. Yeah, that's all it is. They bought $100 million worth of ads. Brian Boitano's so hot right now. Every single time. Warren, do you have D4? Aladdin on ice? Damn. More grug today? Well, okay, so this is what we need to find out. What would Brian Boitano do? $100 million ad. Hey, people, that's what people pay for a slot at the,
Welcome to Costco.
They do. Hey, Monty Coder, appreciate that brand new tier 1. Again, commitment. Appreciate that. Twisted Soul, let's go. Twitch Prime, hell yeah. GC Rooksies, thank you very much for that brand new Twitch Prime. Many appreciations. Okay, Karen, I just need to ask a quick question. I'm too stupid. Is a rook the chess piece that looks like a rampart? You don't know either? I can't Google it. They'll see. Can you Google it for me?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Thank you, Heavenstone. Implicit Returns is the GOAT. Why choose violence? Why? Okay. Tim Salsa, thank you for the brand new Twitch Prime. Hope she listened. Yeah, it's the one that looks like a rook, you dingus. Damn it. Hey, Prime. People don't spend $5. Kick spending $100 million. I know. Merrick K, thank you for the tier 1. Yeah, you're the Dr. Disrespect incarnated. Here's the thing. Okay, first off, calm down, big fat banana. I don't want you peeling yourself. Okay, second off, I'm going to dispel any rumors right now of a multi-million-dollar contract with Kick, okay? Because I know you guys have been talking about it, and I know word on the street and the tweets and all that's happening, this multi-million-dollar contract with Kick. I'm going to say no to it, okay? For you guys. You know why? Because it's just who I am.
Welcome to
For
Costco.
you. Okay?
I love you.
For you. Now, if it happened to be 5 million Kick, I mean, call me Crypto Daddy, boys. We're going gambling. But until then, I won't get them titties out on stream. But until then, we're just a lowly tech channel, okay? We're just lowly tech channel people. Prime, did you know why the toilet paper didn't cross the street? It got stuck in the crack. Fuck, Vic.
Welcome to Costco. I love
What
you.
do I do with that pic? I think I should just ban him
Welcome
at this
to
point.
Costco.
4
I love
months
you.
moonlighting at this startup. Day job still great. Love to hear that. Love to hear that. That is fantastic. Fractal Asymmetry. Thank you for the tier 3. Followed by yet another tier 3. Let's go. Greatest money laundering stream on Earth on Kick. Hell yeah, baby girl. I just found out my wife is pregnant. I'm thinking about changing jobs and moving out of state. Did you? You did something. It was hard. It was hard, especially if you have like family and friends and you're going to a place without any of that. Thoughts on overemployment? Well, I'm technically overemployed. Look at what I'm doing right now. It's really about work-life balance. You know, you got to know how to balance things. You got to, like, if you're a focused individual and you want to do that, I mean, you can, but it's no matter what, it kind of sucks. You know? I think lastly, there is no green grass. You know what I mean? No matter what. No matter how much you think some other place is going to be better, often it's just the same crap. There are times where your job sucks. I get that. But, you know, is extra money worth the stress? Sometimes. Is it always worth the stress? I don't know, man. It depends on your situation, you know? You know what I mean? I don't want to say it's, you know, even running your own company can suck. Of course, being a CEO, there's no guarantee that being a CEO is fun. I have a friend right now that has turned his company into an acquired multi-million-dollar company. Pretty good. I mean, he's living the dream. He's a CEO and everything. Things are going fantastic, but it's still hard. You know? He says it's extremely hard. You know, and you always hear these people being like, but it's like, dude, still hard for a lot of people. Is it Kick? Yeah. Hey, Zagadka 9, thank you very much for the tier 1 9 months baby making time right there, okay? I've always thought that being a CEO is tiresome AF. Yeah, it'd be very hard. Can you get banned for saying HTML is a programming language? No, you'll just simply be less likely to get hired. And you here, $5 a month. I'm just asking for $5 a month, okay? $5 a month! That's all I'm asking for. Okay? I don't see what the big deal is. What the F is the big deal here? The Brian B, thank you very much. You're not wrong. You're just stupid. Yep, that just happens. It happens. Yes, you will get banned for ignore TJ. Oh, what did TJ say? Oh yeah, hey TJ, hit me with the link. Where's the link, TJ? I just saw your name fly by, TJ. Hit me with the link right now. Have you created a compiler, bro? Yeah, back in the day I did compiler. No. I'm not ignoring TJ. TJ, paste the link. All right, so this is very important to everybody. I want you to take this link right here, and I need everybody to go into this link, okay? I need you to go deep in it. I want both hands, both feet, and I want you to reply something that's not like a dickhead reply. I want you to reply something good, okay? I want you to hit that retweet, and I want to see something like, TJ is a top shelf, top tier, top tippity, top halfway up engineer 10x.
Get me the meat and give it to me
10 by 10x engineer. absolutely would love to see this combo go down hard on some Neo Vim and LSP action. You know what I'm talking about, baby? Send now. Hey, Butt Picker 12. You need a job? Thank you for that 10 bang. Thank you for that 5 banger, Butt Picker. Big appreciations on that one. You know what I mean? I know it's a dirty job, but somebody got to do it. You know what I mean? I also made a great plugin today. Oh, you made SpongeBob case. Nice. How to purr? You got you. So the common misconception when it comes to purring is people use their tongue. It's not a tongue motion. It's the soft palate back here. So rookies go. No, see, that sounds creepy. Okay, you sound like a weirdo. You know, it's the same sound as Chewbacca. Right? It's the same thing. You know what I mean? It's the same thing. Same sound. You get it?
Welcome to
Thanks for the great
Costco.
take on
I
education
love
and
you.
CS. Applying for grad school with a 4-year degree, finance. Graduated in 2020, and I'm a self-taught engineer. Pray for me. Yeah, baby. Mini Scarabee, thank you very much. What the F? He's right. It is. It's way different. Way different. Non-smoker, be a non-smoker.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Probably. One of those will at least minimally land you arch. If a hat trick is 3 months, what's 4? Dick trick. I can only do that with a moist throat. How to get banned? Well, I'm not going to lie to you. I've already thought about banning you like 6 times. I'm not going to lie to you. And the reason why is that you link a lot of articles. Like a lot of articles multiple times. Or this, okay? You think I don't see these things, these repetitive motions, but I do. I actually do see a lot more than people realize. I'm trying desperately hard to keep up with chat while reading virtually everything said. Okay?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Why do you hate React? Hey, excellent question. I actually haven't got that yet. Oh, because it's doo-doo. Hey, man, why do you hate used needles? Do I need to explain it? Okay? They're disease-ridden filth, that's why. Hey, Prime, first second stream I'm watching. Oh, nice. First second stream. Yeah. You didn't just insult React. Now I'm fuming. Fume away, baby cakes. All right. What's good with React? It introduced JSX, which I think is a pretty good abstraction. I did Vue for 3 years, yeah. Banging some Vue. Now I have to learn React, and it feels like going back to the Stone Age, yeah. Gopek was literally just in Teach stream acting like an ass, too. Oh, he was? Hey, TJ, is this true? Teach, is that true? True? I think TJ's streaming right now, so I is this true? Is this true, TJ? TJ, is this true? Amaranth is doing boobies now. Please switch to the stream or lose it now. Okay, interesting. Thoughts on TypeScript destructors? I think it's nuts that there's destructors. That cannot be real. The Prime Waiting Room. TJ called his stream the Prime Waiting Room. Based. Your dream video is a banger? Dude, Dreambird's a banger. That's why. It's true. Okay, TJ, teach. Is this Gopek guy being a weirdo in your stream? Was he being an ass? That's what chat is trying to say. This guy was being a butthole in your stream. Is this true? Yes? Okay. Cool to know. Oh, you gave him mercy? Well, I'm not as nice. Get him out. Right now. Okay, so here's what I didn't want to say this on stream, Karen, but I want you to take Gopek's belongings and put them onto TJ's desks, because apparently TJ is willing to hold on to some crap. Me personally, I toss that shit out the window if I could, Karen. But since TJ is willing to take it out to the dump for me, I'll let him have it. Go pack your bags and get out. All right, kapow. Germagen. Don't be a damn React zealot. The same for everything not Rust. Thank you. Why does everyone say I'm a possible ban evader? Because you're probably on a VPN? I sponsor your GitHub. Is the problem if... wait. No, that's fine. YouTube chat. When I told my boss that I stream, he knows. In fact, my boss has been trying to put me in touch with people at Netflix who are doing Twitch stuff. He's like, yeah, you should probably just start streaming more often. You should do Twitch stuff. You should do Twitch stuff for Netflix. And I said, yeah, I'm just saying I would do it. And he was just like, well, I think you should do it. And I'm like, I'm saying I'd do it. So then we went over to HR, and HR's like, I'll think about it. HR. Hey, Zeki, where'd you go? Zeki, where the hell did Zeki go? Gosh, I love this song. Zeki, where the hell did you just go? I just saw you. Hey. All right, hey, I'm here. Hey, who's going to TwitchCon? I want some ones in the chat if you're going. Don't type anything else. I'm tired of seeing zeros and shit. Just type one if you're going. Okay? Because Bash Bunny's going. I'm going. I think TJ might be going. I'm trying to gauge this because what I'm thinking is that Theo, Teach, Melky, Trash Dev, and others, Bash Bunny, I think it's spelled with an I, and others, potentially renting a bar and doing a night together, creating a banger celebration, okay? I'm just saying. I don't know if you're kind of into that, but we're kind of into that. Potentially, I'll take the income from Twitch. We're going to do a free drink open bar banger festival. Maybe get the V Shoujo people in there. Get some VTubers in there. Who knows? Okay? Who knows? Right? It could be crazy.
Welcome to Costco.
Raven off. Thank you very much. I applied to my passport earlier. Yeah, get them all in there. Yeah. Do you use something like malware bytes? I don't even know what that means. Patty? No. I create Instagram. Oh, nice. I smell bad heads up. Okay, well, unsmell bad. Tech savvy, you've already outed yourself as a married man. You can't smell that bad. Okay? This is Infected Mushroom. Just starting into Apex. When next Apex stream? Oh, gosh, I don't know when. We're going to rewind this because this song is just such a banger, okay? React content, please. Okay, so here's the deal. We are now going to decide what are we doing. Is everybody ready to figure out what we're doing today? We did a 30-minute intro. Classic piece of shit intro that I am. New poll. What to do? There's either going to be the interpreter, which is me reading stuff, interpreter. I'm actually starting to think about doing the interpreter offline. Real talk. I'm thinking about doing the interpreter offline. Just so I can progress it, right? Because I can go like 10x faster without you degens. Honestly, I can go so fast. I can just go, I mean, I can hustle that ass. You know what I mean?
Welcome to
interpreter.
Costco. I love you.
Articles. Okay? Now, but here's the deal. I just want you to know before you go and you like get hurt and all that, I just want to let you know what's available. Okay? I just want you to know that there's some other stuff. There's some there's single ownership memory safety without borrow checking, reference counting, or garbage collection. Okay? There's more grug. There's how to never get a job. We also have what's it called?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Netflix. went to GraphQL and IoT.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Introducing something called device script, which is a subset of TypeScript because Microsoft can't stop having good ideas, okay? I'm just saying, there's some bangers in there, okay? So I'm going to let you know that. Can you do Dreambird compiler? It's impossible. It's ambiguous. It's ambiguous AF. Start poll. It's the time. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Based script. Yeah, that's what it's called. How to never land a job. Well, it's either articles or programming. What's is the new Git for? Okay, yes. That's coming up next. You are the only stream I watch, and I had a Prime sub. Well, thank you. Thank you for using your Prime sub on me. Honestly, anyone that uses their Prime sub on me, I want to say a thank you. I am actually hugely thankful for people doing that. I don't know if you know this, but if you use your Prime sub, it costs you money you're already paying, and it gives me a couple free dollars, I think. I think it's like $2.30 or something like that. I'm not exactly sure what it does. It does something. I know that.
Welcome to Costco.
So I just want to say thank you, Slim JD. You slim little D. Thank you very much for that. Many appreciations.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you, Kid Dev. Appreciate that. Augustog. Thank you very much. Augustog. All right. I abide by these results. I'm thinking about taking the interpreter work offline. $2.30. $2.33.
Welcome to Costco.
But sometimes less depending on your country a month. Why is that hard? You get hours of entertainment. My voice is going out.
Welcome
All this
Costco.
screaming $5 a month is actually ruining my voice. It's ruining my voice. Hi, how are you doing, Prime? Mostly erect. And let's see, $5 a month. Too much Tokyo screaming, Tokyo. And it says directly here, it's not available for my country. Damn. Will it ever cover the cost of your insurance? No. 55% voted articles,
It turns
people.
all your bad feelings into good feelings.
Mr. Solver,
It's a nut.
thank you very much, Raphael.
Welcome to Costco.
Articles
I love
win.
you.
I think it's solved by saying $6 a month.
Welcome to Costco.
You finally
I love
you finally have the sound of a furry since you are, I'm not sure what that means. Knee? Kane? Whoa, Chelstastic. Blue hair went. Real talk. I may or may not have started watching Ninja. Because here's the deal. If you're going to go in and you're going to do a moment of blue hair, I want you to know, you can't just go in. You can't just go in and pretend, okay? I'm going to go in Shia LaBeouf status, okay? I'm going to be in the news screaming I'm ninja butt naked in Kmart in Rapid City, South Dakota this month, okay? We're going full method acting. Method actor. Called it. Pick, you really lost. You really missed your opportunity there. I called it. Blue chest hair, blue mustache. Walter White moment. Do I have to go blue hair to get an interview at Netflix? Full method? Yes, you do. Yeah. Yeah. Since changing to NeoVim, I now feel awesome writing shit code at work. There you go. That's the attitude. Kmart, no Costco. There's no Costco in Rapid City, South Dakota. Don't go naked, please. Go butt ass naked. Okay. Gonna stream it on Kick, completely legal, while getting arrested for doing something illegal. Have you ever thought about that for a second? Yeah, totally cool, huh? Kick.com. 95.5, baby. Definitely. You know, you can always tell a thing or two. By the way, still straight up.
Welcome
Kick,
to
you offer me
Costco.
$3 million,
I
I'll
love you.
change over for 2 years. Just want to let you know. But I'm not. Trust me, I don't.
Welcome to
I'm
Costco.
not some
I love you.
Amazing individual. But I will say this. If you ever wonder what Kick's all about, just look at their top 3 follows. Slots, steak, slots. Just saying. But they're there to be better. Doesn't want exclusive streams. Yeah, well, you know, like I said, 3 mil, baby. Just saying. Just saying.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Kick doesn't have lambdas. That call lambdas. That call 10 lambdas. Yep. I just booked a hotel for TC. Better get me drunk AF Cotter. You know I am. Amazon better. Hell yeah. Been using NeoVim for a couple months now. Configuring has been nothing but pain. Really? I think it's fun. So they made their own Twitch with blackjack and hookers. Yeah, that's about it. TJ confirmed that Grug is Tom's father, and that Tom is your father, and that TJ is your cousin. Thus, a family of geniuses. Thoughts? I care not to comment. All right, are you guys ready to do this? Think about Lazy Vim? I think it's great. Be monkey. And monkey. I feel so much cooler writing HTML tag after I switched over to the Kinesis Keyboard 3000. Let's see, it's my first time on your stream. What language do you use for coding? Oh, a lot of things. Now, here's the deal, is that I don't think we're going to be doing any coding today because you guys have explicitly asked for not coding. Okay? Explicit. Just be monkey. Be monk. Okay? No coding. Hey, you guys voted for it. But here's the deal. I'm gonna start working on the interpreter offline. I'm gonna work on the interpreter offline, not educational. For those that don't know the joke that's been going on, there's a person that that keeps on pasting on all my videos about how I'm misleading people, and that as an educational YouTube channel, I should really be more concerned about not misleading my viewers. And I had to break it to him that I'm not an educational channel. Called it. Well done, Pick. But here's the best part. Someone on Twitter's like, that's just gaslighting. You're clearly educational. I'm like, what? What? They're like, yeah, clearly you're gaslighting your audience. I'm like, what? What? But I will say I did get one chance to do something that I think is fantastic. If you ever have this chance, you really got to try to do this. You go around
Welcome
here.
to Costco.
You
I
go
love
into
you.
here. And, okay, we go into here. Yep. And he goes in here, and he's all really upset. And then someone else is in here, and then he's saying something. And then this guy is over here saying this. Hold on, we got to find it. Then I said something. I'm like, but they're very different. And blah, 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 blah. It keeps on going. And then Mitch says something. Mitch says, my guy. Oh, wait, hold on. He says this. Influencers who think they're above criticism use their dick-sucking audience to lull themselves into a space of immunity is disgusting. Then Mitch says, we've got to get outside. And then I call flag on that. He's dick riding. Mitch, stop dick riding, Mitch. Mitch, stop dick riding, okay? Clearly. I felt really proud about this meme. All the way down at the bippity bottom of this whole thing. No one's going to see it. 57 people saw this, and I only have 2 likes, which, by the way, is very offensive. I expected a 1-for-1 view to like on that one. I mean, Mitch rode the dick all the way down. Okay, like, look at this. This is such a long one. Let's see. Must think I come here to hear your opinion and have fun. Forget those guys. I know that's what we're gonna do. I love your streams, Brian, but I'm surviving on savings, trying to get my dev job, so I'm scared. If you ever look at this post in logs a month later, and I'm not subbed by then, behead me publicly. No, dude, you're gonna get it, baby. Just stay focused. Do what you gotta do. You gotta do. Wasn't this meme supposed to be used for AI posts? It was, but this also works. If I can use it for AI posts and that, you know I'm going to do it. Okay, are you guys ready to do this? I guess we're doing articles for one more day. Big scammer Ice Poseidon is in Kick. But Ice Poseidon also has created like half the internet memes we use. Okay? So, you know, whether you like it or
Welcome
not,
to Costco.
you got to
I love
understand how things work. You know? Chat Andy, Ice Poseidon.
Welcome to Costco.
Just
I
saying.
love you.
Why did you not set a lang map in NeoVim to have all the keys in the same place? I don't know. Andy meme is the only good meme. I don't know what other memes he does. I don't know. I've literally never watched Ice Poseidon. I just know lore. That's all I know. I don't actually. I don't know how to code anymore. Yeah, I don't know how to code anymore. What statement specifically did they accuse you misleading about? Oh, okay. You want to know what was You guys want to know what was misleading? Fine. Okay. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you right now. The Primeagen. Fine. I'll show you. This right here, my friends, is not the perfect programming language, but in fact, a fake programming language that is terrible. I'm just saying it happens on the internet. Why are you liar? We trusted you. You were not supposed to join them. How to hire closure developers. Goodness gracious. This is like, what is this? It's so long. Oh, and it's written like yesterday. Okay, I'm interested. Dude, seriously, I just told my boss we should switch to Dreambird. I trusted you and you started mating Dreambird. Did you also lie about being a furry? I said I'm not going to answer that question, okay? I feel debated. Hey, I thought I was doing programming today. Here, we'll do one more. Here. I will give you guys one more opportunity to do today. Programming.
Welcome to Costco. I love
articles /YouTube. I'm letting you choose. I'm doing it twice now, okay? This is your fault. Thank you, T. Again, thank you for that, T3. Many appreciations. Thank you. Sir, this is stalling. You know I love just chatting or dick riding. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I download NPM package called the Dreambird. Uh-oh. Don't do that. Democracy will win today. There's no dick riding option. I truly messed up. Wow, okay. Programmers are getting angry. They want to come back at this. They don't want consistency here. Is this what's happening? Well, the articles, many articles, you dummy.
I love you.
Okay? There's many articles. Have you guys forgotten all the articles already? Okay, we're going to go over my OnlyFans content. We're clearly going to go over single ownership, maybe Grug, how to never get a job. I'm not even sure if I've ever heard that sound before. That's a full rack of biddies. That's a lot of biddies. Are you Spider-Man? Hell yeah, I'm Spider-Man, girl, baby man. You know I am. If you motherfuckers make this tie. Okay. It wins again. What do you want me to do? You guys are always like, Prime, why aren't you listening to the audience? And then I listen to the audience and you're like, Prime, why are you avoiding coding? Why? Why do you hate me? Take the one with the more raw votes. Articles won on both. What does it mean, raw votes? The vote was rigged. Grug, 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 grug. Please don't read Chat Jippity articles. I agree with that one. Exactly what a robot would say. Let's see. Do the 10K bits mean nothing? They mean a lot. Stop the count. They mean a ton to my heart. They don't mean nothing to the poll, okay? Because you can't just do that. I can't, like, first off, I can't just have people paying. Do you want me to do a pay-for poll? You want a pay-for poll? Is that what we're doing now? Is that what we're doing, is a pay-for poll? If articles win again, you guys literally, you guys have to. Oh my goodness, I can't make pay for polls anymore. You can't make pay for polls anymore. Did they take it out? Yes. You can't even pay for polls anymore. Oh, man. That is so funny. Allow additional votes. Yeah, I know, but it used to be you could actually allow bits. So people could vote with bits. You know what I mean? So you could really just do full elite rule. You know what I mean? Honor system. Oh, this is why we need to switch to gig. Yep, got him. Well, that sucks. There goes that. All right. Sprees, man. Damn it, Sprees. Okay. Should we just program? I know you guys have been wanting me to program for a while, okay? I am totally fine doing some programming. I mean, I personally would like to do a little bit of programming. Do what your hearts wants to do. Why not both? Okay, here's the deal. This is a programming stream. It happens from time to time. Okay, so here's the deal. Here's the deal. Could we do a bit of both? Okay, let's do this. How about this one? I'm going to start off. I'm going to do some programming. Okay, let's get it done. Let's get after it. Let's do a little bit of the interpreter. Okay, because I kind of like the tunes going on. Well, let's watch some tech lead. I'm already tired of reading bad Chat Jippity article.
Oh camel, my camel /toe.
What the hell's a /toe? What is that? What's a /toe? $5 a month. I don't have any real thoughts on C#. Camel /toe. Oh, I made a mistake. What's a camel /toe? I don't know what it is, but I want one. How do I get a camel /toe? Pick, is this something you can get me? Pick, can you give that to me? If that's just the tip, I don't know. I don't want to know what the rest looks like. Yeah, you do, baby girl. All right, I got you. Okay, Pick's gonna send me. Pick's gonna find out what a camel /toe is. Send it to me privately. All right. I mean, I'm actually fine doing a little something. You know what I mean? I can definitely do something. Here, let's go like this. Let's go to TS Rust because I do want to do this. Damn it! See, so here's the real reason. Can I be real with you guys? Can I be real with you guys for a second? The reason why I'm slightly avoiding programming right now is that I didn't get 8 hours of sleep last night, and I'm feeling a little goofy. Okay, I only got 7 hours of sleep, and I never feel as good when I get 7. You know what I mean? I just never feel as good. And so it doesn't make me feel good. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make me feel good. You know what I mean? Oh, you've got a headache now. Okay. All right, dick asses. We'll do this. Well, you look great. Thank you. I worked until 2 last night. Started working at 7 this morning. I feel that, okay, that's much different than what I did. Wait, how do you get...
It turns
you
all
just
your
do it. Okay,
bad
fine.
feelings
Fine.
into good feelings.
Fine. I will do
It's
this.
a
You know what?
night.
You know what? You guys want this, huh? Well, guess what? We're doing TypeScript then, okay? How do you like that, you dummies? Okay? Does that make you feel good? Does that make you feel good? Okay, you want that? Fine. You know what we get? You get TypeScript, okay? Everybody loses today. You lose. Everybody's got to be lose. How did I sign a contract that says I can only stream 1.69 hours of TypeScript a month? No, Karen, I'm not listening to that contract. I will stream what I want to stream, okay? And if it's Dreambird, it's Dreambird, okay? Okay, I didn't know lawyers were feeling different. Okay. When are we going to renegotiate this contract? You know Karen's real! Okay. Visual Basic Stream TypeScript contract is for your own sanity. You know she's real! I'm not an arts user. There's actual women in my life. You tell them. You tell them. All right. I actually have the perfect. Literally the perfect scene right now. I just haven't put it in OBS, and I feel genuinely upset right now. Knee-high socks reveal when? Boys, you get ankle. Okay, that's ankle. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that calf muscle. Get that calf muscle. Calf muscle. Calf muscle. Calf. Get that calf muscle. Okay, kick content, boys. We're about to whip those nipples out and go full shaft programming on this. Okay? Damn, for free? Shoes in your home? I'm in a horse barn right now, son. Karen is actually Mr. Mahina. I don't know who that is. Oh, this nerd. Wow, only fans got it. This is getting disturbingly sexual. Wait till I flex both of them the same time. I'm not a cyclist. I actually just do Jacob's Ladder. You know what I'm talking about? All right. Well, we've already done the REPL. We've already finished that damn REPL. We're going to go into parsing. So if you haven't read this part of the book, you got to kind of go down the parsing. The parsing's pretty cool. It talks about, like, how do you do this thing? How do you do all that? I mean, I guess technically, I am like a professional reader at this point, so I guess I could read it. Everyone who has ever programmed has probably heard about parsers, mostly by encountering a parser error. Or maybe heard or even said something like, we need to parse this, or after it is parsed, or this parser blows up with this input. The word parser is as common as compiler, interpreter, and programming language. Everyone knows that parsers exist. They have to, right? Because who else would be responsible for parser errors?
Welcome to Costco.
I love you, Daddy. All right, this song is good. Hey, Lord Judge, thank you very much. Let's go like this. Oh, I'm actually kind of feeling it now. Hold on. All right, here we go. All right. But what is a parser exactly? What is the job and how does it do it? This is from Wikipedia. A parser is a software component that takes input data,
Costco.
frequently text, and builds a data structure, often some kind of parse tree, abstract syntax tree, or other hierarchical structure, giving a structural representation of the input, checking for correct syntax in the process. Lots of dots. The parser is often preceded by a separate lexical analyzer. I've been known to lexically analyze from time to time, which creates tokens from the sequence of input characters. For a Wikipedia article about computer science topic, this excerpt is remarkably easy to understand. We can even recognize our lexer in there. A parser turns its input into a data structure that represents the input. That sounds pretty abstract, so let me illustrate it with an example. Here's a bit of JavaScript. Are you guys ready for this? Lexer of Freed Manner. Everybody knows about that. Ligma analysis, Thorsten. This is Thorsten Ball. Prime builds a better TypeScript parser today. What kind of parser gonna be? Bottom or top? My guess is it's top down. Opinion on game design? Difficult. Is there going to be a sweet deal for writing? There is a sweet deal. It's already there. Use ThePrimeagen. ThePrimeagen. By the way, if you have articles you want me to read, go here. Go to ThePrimeagen React. Add the article. I'll read it. I go through it. How do you think I have what I have? I like math and games. Else, nah. All right. Let's see. Our input is just some text, a string. When it passes, let's see, we then pass it to a parser hidden behind the JSON.parse function and receive an output value. This output is the data structure that represents the input. I love that previous song. A JavaScript object with two fields named name and age. Their values also correspond to the input. We can now easily work with this data structure as we demonstrated by accessing the name and age fields. But I hear you say JSON parser isn't the same as a parser for a programming language. They are different. I can see where you're coming from with this, but no. They are not different, dummy. Type 1 in the chat if you thought they were different right now. 1 in the chat right now. Are you guys just not listening anymore? Are we done listening? Are you guys just totally engrossed in my reading right now? Because I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed right now. All of you, you're in trouble. All right? All right, here we go. At least totally phased out. Yeah. You guys want articles, don't you? You guys see, that's the thing, is that here's the problem. You guys always want me to program on stream. I hear you, but the reality is you guys actually want me to read articles. No. We are impossible. You are. Facts. Please finger your editor. We love programming. New poll. All right, this is the last poll. I mean it. I mean it. We are doing one last poll. You guys have voted articles every time, and yet I'm sitting here still programming, trying to please everybody. You know what? I realize you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do what I want to do, okay? Man, you're like the Dr. Disrespect of programming. Put on black glasses, and that is it. What? Here's the thing, okay? You guys are always coming in here, okay? You're just tippy-toeing on in. And you're always being like, oh, hey, Prime, hey, Prime, hey, Prime, please, could you just please, Prime, hey, could you just do a little program? Okay, yes, yeah, could you do it? Gosh, I don't like this. Every single time. Every time.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
But you know what I say? You know what I say? I say we're going to have to gently escort you outside of the startup and leave you where you started from, the garbage, okay? Because here's the thing is you don't actually know what you want. You've never known it. You're not going to know it. That is why you're here. And that is why I'm here. Do you get it now? It's reality check time. So get the hell out of the startup.
Welcome to Costco. I love you. Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Okay, I'll take them off. I didn't know. I didn't know, Karen. I didn't realize I also put that in the employee handbook that I'm not allowed to do that. Okay. Hey. Sorry. Is it not happening? Is it not happening? Why didn't it happen? Why did it not happen?
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
I'm waiting for the thing, you know what I mean?
That scared me.
Got him. All right, view results. Okay. Is it because everybody who wanted to react has already left? Okay, I see, I get it. Maybe one more? No, we're not doing one more. Fine, we'll do it. We're gonna do it, okay? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do that because this is what you get. The disbelief face. Hey, that's 1 out of 3. That's 1 out of 3, okay? Is there an echo? No, there's not an echo. All right. At least not on a conceptual level, a JSON parser takes text as input and builds a data structure that represents the input. That's exactly what a parser of a programming language does. The difference is that in the case of a JSON parser, you can see the data structure when looking at the input, whereas when you look at this, it's not immediately obvious how this could be represented with the data structure. This is why, at least for me, they seemed different on a deeper conceptual level. My guess is that this perception of conceptual difference is mainly due to a lack of familiarity with programming language parsers and the data structures they produce. Okay? Wait, stop, I got 4 AIDS. Subscribe then. That easy. Subscribe for no ads. They're gonna be angry. Everyone that just got ads is like, I'm leaving. He just said $5 a month. I have a lot more experience with writing a JSON, parsing it with a parser, inspecting the output of the parser than with parsing programming languages. As users of programming languages, we seldom get to see or interact with the parsed source code. So that's a big thing, is that if you're used to, like, if you use like a real editor, you know what I'm talking about? Like a real, genuine, full-ass editor, you know what I'm talking about? Like right here, and you jump in here and you type in TS Playground. See, that's the thing, is that you're actually used to seeing it, because some of us,
Welcome to
it's
Costco.
right here in our editor. You know what I mean? The parse tree, right here. This is a parse tree. Tree sitter, baby. Defy us all. I'd normally insult you, but you've also recently given 20 subs, so I'd like to just say thank you. Big time thank you. Okay, you're amazing. Also, Monstrous Cakes, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Hey, Eve! Thank you for the 45 gifted total subs with 1 right now. Hell yeah. And Hootman, thank you very much for the Twitch Prime 2 months. And hey, Shy Rye, one more time, thank you for the 69 messed up camel toe, camel hump tweet you gave me, or whatever you call those things. What's the stream element text-to-speech thing? I don't even know. 2 pal, thank you. We meet. You're not in the mood to read articles. I'm not in the mood for anything, honestly. I didn't sleep enough. And whenever I don't sleep enough, I get all grumpy. You know what I mean? Has that ever happened to you? In Lisp, the data structures used to represent the source code are the ones used by Lisp users. I've always wanted to try this out. The parse source code is easily accessible as data in the program. Code is data, data is code is something you hear a lot from Lisp programmers. It just seems so impossible to get there. Daddy chill?
Give me the meat.
Daddy chill?
And give it to me raw.
Hey, thank you very much, Taco Bandit. Is there some sort of euphemism in that name? Is Taco Bandit what Zoomers call heartbreakers from Tom Petty's generation? Oh, Began, great call. All right, people. Here's the deal. Tina Turner. Tina, what the hell are you talking about, Tina? Tina, you love me, and you know it, Tina. Where the hell are you, Tina? Tina, where is Tina? Tina, where the F are you, Tina? Damn it, Tina. User Tina Turner. Bro, seriously, I sometimes don't like you. I never know if you're being sarcastic or not. You have a responsibility to your viewers who are beginners. Come on, Tina. Okay, do you need to get banned or something? Wait a second. It's not the first time I've heard that today. Let's see. Classic. Okay, real talk. What is the worst parts of Git? Or what do you hate most about Git? Okay, guys, I need you to fill this out. I need you to do stuff. Okay, I need you to do stuff here. Okay. I need you to do stuff, okay? Because here's the deal. Bigenbot and I are working on a YouTube video. I need some answers. I need answers, and I need you guys to like this tweet. I need you guys to retweet this tweet, and I need you to give me answers, okay? You will be in the video if you give me a sufficiently good answer. I'll let you figure out what sufficiently good means, okay? Because here's the deal. I know what good means. But do you know what good means? Just saying. See? Okay, so Tupel, you're on the right track. You, my friend, are on the right track. Can I get a take home instead? No, you may not. But you can take that link home. The fact that Microsoft owns it. Wait, what? Microsoft doesn't own Git. Prime, you gotta check out PingFS. I don't even know what you're saying. It doesn't work with Jay Diesel. Yeah, I mean, I get that. All right, I'm gonna keep on going, but it's very important. If you guys can do something to that tweet, okay, make me proud. Make me proud. GitHub does not equal Git. What's the worst part about Git? Git. Got him. You got me. You got me, Nightshade, dude. Well done. Get good. Okay, so let's keep on going. Okay, but it's very important. I'm cooking up something good, but I need your help. Okay, this video is going to be a banger, but I need your help. So in order to bring out conceptual understanding of programming language parsers up to the level of our formality, our familiarity and intuitiveness with parser of serialization languages like JSON, YAML, TOML, Tom. Not Genius Tom, but that Tom. And so on. We need to understand the data structures they produce. In most interpreters and compilers, the data structures used for the internal representation of the source code is called a syntax tree, or an abstract syntax tree for short, AST. The abstract is based on the fact that certain details visible to the source code are omitted in the AST, semicolons, new lines, whitespace, comments, braces, brackets, and parentheses, depending on the language and the parser. These details are not represented in the AST, but merely guide the parser when constructing it. The learning curve is like the wall of Westeros. Do I get to kiss my sister? I'm just asking. If I can get over that wall, how much sister loving goes on? Just asking. Asking for a friend. Westeros. Game of Thrones people. Cersei. Hodor. Sister or a wildling, your choice. Oh, you know, Jon Snow, you know nothing. You know nothing, Jon Snow. Sure, us wildlings clearly are a bunch of Irish people. You know nothing, Jon Snow. You know nothing. I loved Game of Thrones. Except the ending. They chose the wrong king. It was always Jon Snow. Changed my mind. Hashtag. They chose the worst king of all time for the dumbest reasons. And I hated it. They should just redo it. Goodness gracious. He's supposed to live in a tree, people! He's supposed to, like, sit in a tree, and then when they come, they're like, Bram, what's happening? He's like, I see the world! I've been here for 1,000 years till the next! Okay, it's not my fault. Just one guy stuck in the tree, and the next person just gets to walk free and be king of Westeros? Like, that doesn't make sense! Okay? It is. It's actual depiction. I just hated it. Hashtag not my king. Like, what is that? Why was he in a tree? Why is he in a tree? And why does Bram get to walk around? Or not, I mean, walking, that's pretty ableist of me. Why does Bram get to... Was Bram his name? In my head, Bram's his name. I like this tangent. Sorry. I haven't talked. I don't know. No, yeah. Bran. Budget problem. It is definitely a budget problem. At this point of Jon Snow turning out Targaryen. Well, yeah. What was the point? What was the point of the Targaryen part? It means nothing except for the sister cousin loving that's going on with the other. Why didn't Jon get hit with some fire or something and get discovered that he's a Targaryen? Right? Boom! And he's just like, Jon Snow! I'm honorable and I'm gonna do the right thing! You know what I mean? Just so much better. From baby to Jon Snow was holy shit. Yeah, I mean... You watched the wrong Game of Thrones. Oh, is there another one? Offered to work on the next Star Wars and basically bailed on Game of Thrones. I have no idea. Jon Snow is the true king. Yeah, the fire resist a useless skill once you've learned to resurrect. This is true. Man, I repressed that ending. Why did you remind me? I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. You know nothing, Primeagen. You know nothing, Primeagen. Ending is clear. The senior dev left halfway through the project. I built you the architecture. How did you end here? I put everything in place. Okay, I got the lady. She gets fiery and she still lives. I got Jon Snow sneaking it in. I even put a tree in the whole scene. Somehow, you all up. How did you do it? Every senior project ever. Okay. A small example should make things clear. Let's say you have the following source code, that right there. And let's say you're using JavaScript, a magic lexer or magic parser, and the AST built out of JavaScript objects, then parsing step might look something like this. If statement, operator expression, integer literal, integer literal, integer literal. You know what? We don't need to read this. We can just, you know what we can do, boys and girls? We can copy, we can pasta, we can throw it in there, we can hit them in one of those, we can hit it with a function, do that, go over here, go up here, bam, 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 and hit it with the foo, go in here, yep, one more, bap, 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 and hit him with that TS Playground and go like this. You know, yeah, okay, yeah. There's an if statement that has a condition, that has a left and a right, okay, and there's some numbers on the left and the right, and there's some consequences, and okay, yeah, I see it, yeah. Able to shoot down the dragon without the dragon seeing it coming. Like the ship emerges from behind the rocks after that shot, then hits another direct hit and kills it. So if his aim is so good, why couldn't he aim at the Daenerys instead? Makes no sense. Bran was supposed to become one of the children of the forest, but George Martin sold out. Hell yeah. Please say copy pasta with an Italian accent. I don't know if I can do an Italian accent. I'm not even sure, honestly, how to do buongiorno, copy pasta. It's me, copy pasta. I just offended an entire group of people. You're welcome. It's me, copy pasta. I look like Luigi. Thanks. Luigi's clearly
Welcome
the
to
better looking of the
Costco.
two. I mean, Mario.
I love you.
Come on, come on, Mario. Come on, to Mario. You need to get in shape of Mario. You need to get in the shape of Mario. One shot, 374 million emotional kills. Is that a Charlie Day joke? If Charlie Day was an Italian, I just did that. What is Perché Maria? Wait, what? Most Mario games are copy pasta. Your Arnold voice is great, dude. Thank you. Read the tweets. Wreck 'em. Wrecked 'em. Yes. Nearly stashed him. You're supposed to say destroyed him, but it's a get joke. Never mind. Don't worry, hub. Ref log. That's a reference to lob hub. We got 2 hubs. So that some people can't rebase. Ooh, that is so good. Get the hub. Okay, Peaches, triple X DM. Damn. Got like all that stuff in there. Rebase, rebase, rebase. Porque equals Y. Wrecked him. Wrecked him. Hardly knew him. Hardly stashed him. Anyways, all right, here we go like that. Quick dap, get the hell out of there. Okay, we understand this. As you can see, the output of the parser, the AST, is pretty abstract. There are no parentheses, no semicolons, no braces, but it does represent the source code pretty accurately, don't you think? I bet that you can now see the AST structure when you're looking back at the source code. This is what parsers do. They take source code as input, either as text or tokens, and produce data structures which represent the source code. While building up the data structure, they unavoidably analyze the input, checking that it conforms to the expected structure. Thus, the processing of parsing is also called syntactic analysis. Girl, in this chapter, we're going to write our parser for the monkey programming language. Its input will be the tokens we defined in the previous chapter, produced by the lexer we already wrote. We will define our own AST suited to our needs as interpreters of the monkey programming language and construct instances of this AST while recursively parsing tokens. Recursive descent. Let's go. Grug language. I don't rebase, I merge. That's because you're a rookie. I just commit to main like an alpha Chad. Okay. Yeah. Distinct lack of programming. Having worked in a node-based language once, ASTs make a lot of sense to me. Yeah. I set my merge strategy to rebase. Smart. To understand recursion, you must first understand recursion. Do yourself a favor. Yeah, I know. It is true. Shall we review? Okay, so let's do a little quick review. What do we got here? I'm gonna let chat decide. Okay. Okay. I mean, this obviously he has a lot of good. I mean, okay. Copy pasta, Charlie Day. Why can't I get bitches? He says. Okay. What are we doing today? We banning? Kind of sticky? What do we got here, kind of sticky? What do we got here? What's going to happen? Blue hair is on point. Blue hair's on point, but he did come in hot. What to do? Ban? No ban. Your choice. Your choice, Twitch. Are we sending him to the other side of the wall or what? Kind of sticky? Are you kind of snow? We're going to find out. Okay, it looks like you do have Twitch on your side. Oh, damn. Twitch is merciful today. Yeah, Twitch is looking merciful. No VIP option? No, because banning would work. Send him to the gulag. You can buy my vote. Just barely. Okay. This is the Coliseum when he asked the audience if he's going to execute him. This is really it. This is it. Who needs a rebase when you can keep the get tree clean by squashing commits into one PR during merge? Because it's the part where you pull in master. Okay, kind of sticky. You're lucky. You're doing good. I'll chill, chat. Appreciate the mercy. Hey, we're giving you an option, okay? We're giving you the chance here, okay? You're doing good. People don't, let's see, people that don't rebase, yeah. Let's see, are we going to write the parser? What do you think I'm doing? I'm reading about the parser. Maybe you've already heard about parser generators, like tools like Yak, Bison, and Antler. Parser generators are tools that, when fed the formal description of the language, produce parsers as their output. The output is code that can be compiled, interpreted, and itself fed with source code as input to produce syntax tree. There are a lot of parser generators differing in the format of the input they accept and the language of the output they produce. The majority of them use context-free grammar, CFG, as their input. A CFG is a set of rules that describe how to form correct, valid according to the syntax sentences in the language. Most common notations for CFGs are Bacchus-Nora form, BNF, or extended Bacchus-Nora form, EBNF. Everybody knows about these, blah, 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 blah. Nobody cares. There you go. Who is under threat? It is me. Did I do something bad? No, you didn't. There's legit 127 people in here right now that are trying to be all unnoticed, side-eyed, because they've never used Rebase before and don't know what it is. There is. There's genuinely that. Prime, have you tried PDF? I don't care. Title? What's my title? What's my tittle? Yeah, tittle's good. Rebase all the things. Hell yeah, girl. The tittle's good, baby. All right. I don't think learning to write, let's see, I don't think that learning to write your own parser is a waste of time. I actually think it's immensely valuable. Only after having written your own parser, or at least attempted to, will you see the benefits of parser generators provide, the drawbacks they have, and the problems they solve. For me, the concept of a parser generator only clicked after I wrote my first parser. I looked at it, and only then I really and truly understood how it's possible to generate this code automatically. Most people that recommend using a parser generator when others want to get started with interpreters and compilers only do so because they've written a parser themselves before. They've seen the problems and solutions available and decided it's better to use an existing tool for the job. And they're correct. When you want to get something done and are in a production environment where correctness and robustness are priorities, of course you shouldn't try to write your own parser then, especially not if you've never written one before. Sounds like Falcor, but I wrote one myself, but here we are to learn. We want to understand how parsers work, and it's my opinion that the best way to do that is by getting our hands dirty and writing parsers ourselves. I also think it's immense fun. Learn with your hands, not with your eyes, people. Best way to do it. Rebase me, daddy. Absolutely. I don't know much about Git, and it just seems to find that merges create a load of fluffs and adds people's names into changes they don't actually make. I'm going to go one step further and say that it's almost always a mistake to write a parser lexer for a DSL. Just use Lua and write modules for it. Damn. Based. Whenever I see an string input, I parse. Ooh. Pick. This is a family-friendly stream. I just want you to know. Maybe consider, making a formal apology on Twitter.
Welcome to Costco.
After
I love you.
that gross display of public parsing. You sound annoyed and mad. Did I miss something? Everything okay? No. Everything's good. I'm not mad. I'm just reading about parsers. All right. Writing a parser for the monkey programming language. Okay, so here's my problem. I'll tell you my problem. My big problem I'm having lately, which is I've gotten to a point in my life where I want to sit down and work on one thing and just work on it. And that is it. But my life is in such a weird place where I'm like streaming, making YouTube videos, trying to date my wife, play with my kids, make my boss happy, that I feel like I don't know where my time's gone. You know what I mean? By the way, I work at Netflix, if you don't know that. And so I've just been really wrestling with that idea. You know what I mean? This is what it is being an adult. I don't think I'm overworked. It's more that I wish to be able to prioritize longer chunks of things to do. You know what I mean? The older you get, the faster it goes. Yeah, dude, I have 12-hour shifts at the mill, and I wish I was programming. Yeah. Have you pet the dog today? Is that a euphemism for watching Kickstream? I don't watch Kickstreams, okay? I just want you to know I'm not petting the dog today. You know what I mean? Okay? I haven't pet the dog in 15 years. It's not for me, okay? It's been a long time since I pet that dog. And I'm not planning on, this song is entirely too intense. It's entirely too dense. I'm not going to pet no dog. You know what I mean? Not now, not never. Thank you, Danielle. Yeah. No. I know what you mean. Context switching sacks. Yeah, no. I mean, here's the deal. Is I'm also here to make you guys happy. You know what I mean? I also want you guys to feel good about what's going on. And I got to program every now and then. Like, this stream started as a programming stream. You know what I mean? The threat of pied is a scary one. I'm with you. I'm not sure what that means. Are you coding in Rust again? Yeah. Why do you still work for the Netherlands? You must be loaded. That's not how life works, my friend. I spilled my load in my well. That joke I knew it was going to be bad coming out of my mouth. But it didn't. It I tried. Okay, people, I tried. Pull up, abort. What they be doing in Montana? Spilled the load, baby. With that, the stream is done. Spilled the load in the well. Very nice. Yep. You ever get your well fixed? I did. That's why I spilled my load in it. Neither. You should not give an either or question. You know what I mean? You should ask, what monitor do you like? I use a singular monitor, 27 inches, baby. You know. Can you comment on the Chaos Monkey at Netflix? Love the idea as a minus 10x developer. Chaos Monkey makes service hurt. Return to monkey. Yeah, anyways. Okay. All right, here, let's keep on going. Let's see. Okay, blah, blah, blah. I think we're done reading about this. Let's actually just start doing it, okay? Let's start doing it. 1440. 1440.
Welcome to Costco.
You know what I mean?
I love you.
Monkey as a service. Hell yeah. That's actually something I want to do. Monkey laying as a service. Untitled Gooseberry, thank you very much. I have 20-inch too. That is a W. Do you love the fact that I could look like Pokimane? I mean, if you really think about it, like Pokimane and me, we're like really close looking. Like, look at that. You couldn't even tell that was me. You thought, wow, look at Pokimane's smile. I didn't know she had a mustache. And then you realize, wait a second. That's not Pokimane. Can I get a Poke check? Can we get some Poke checks? I want to see everyone type PokeW in the chat right now. Type PokeW in the chat right now. Type it. Type it. Type PokeW in the chat. Type PokeW, and there goes Pick again with that W that ain't quite a W. You know what I mean? Come on, who has it? I know one of you motherfuckers have it, and you guys are lying to yourselves. I know it. Capital P. Oh, okay, yeah, sure. I'm sure we're all buying that one. Warren with the double V. Pokey double U. Okay, yeah. We watch you on our alts. Yeah, for this reason. Dabble you. Pokey Snake. Okay. Well, whoa, what's that thing? Better TTV Pro Sense 2. Wow. Old school. Miss Kiff. Cool story, bro. Pokey you. The S word is still banned on Twitch because a bunch of trend humping nozzles in their HR department. What the hell's the S word? Simp? Am I not allowed to say simp? Are you guys a bunch of simps for Pokimane? Am I doing that wrong? Wait, is that going to get me banned? I can show my nipples if that would be easier. I mean, I got 2 of them. I'm ready. If I put a weight in my hand, though, I can put those nipples out. You know what I'm talking about? All of a sudden, nipple comes out, and all of a sudden a weight comes up, and you'll be like, damn, almost got him. But not this time. Not this time. Thank you. I'm Thompson. $5 a month! Squeal. I like how I literally say it might be banned, and Prime's responses say it 7 times. Yeah. Okay, anyways, let's keep on going. Hot tub stream win. Okay, in Monkey, variable bindings are statements of the following form. Blah, 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 blah. These statements are called let statements. And let's see, and bind a value to the given name. Let x equals 5. This binds the value 5 to the name x. Our job in this section is to parse let statements correctly. Holy bananas, hexavagine. I am in chaos mode. I am. You can say simp on kick while you sit in your hot tub playing slots with titties out. I know, I've heard of this. Thank you, hexavagine, for that. Many appreciations. Now, are you allowed to stream what's happening on Kick on Twitch? Hexavagine, thank you. You trying to code looks exactly. Probably not. P-thread me, daddy. Fork me, daddy. Oh, no. Oh, no. What does it mean to parse let statements correctly? It means the parser produces an AST. Kill me, daddy! What the hell am I saying? But we don't have an AST yet, nor do we know what it should look like. He's gone too far, I know. So our first task is to take a close look at the Monkey source code and see how it's structured so that we can avail the necessary parts of the AST that's able to accurately represent the let statements. Here's a fully valid programming in Monkey. Blah, 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 blah. All right, programs in Monkey are a series of statements. In this example, we can see 3 statements, 3 variable bindings, let statements of the following form. Let identifier equals expression. A let statement in the Monkey language consists of 2 changing parts, an identifier and the expression. In the example above, we have x, y, and add are identifiers. 10, 15, and the function literals are expressions. Before we go on, a few words about the difference between statements and expressions are needed. Thank you very much. It's 11. And Roya Tsukanichikichi. Thank you for the brand new Twitch Prime. Is that your favorite anime? As long as they don't find you. Yeah, we need another Poke check. I don't want to brag or anything, but I'm a huge fan of Pokemon, you know? I've always loved Pokemon. Slay Queen. Slay. You know what I mean? I'm a longtime subscriber. You might actually find this pretty surprising, but if we go to twitch.tv/Pokemon, what you're going to find out about me, you know, little old me, okay, is that I'm actually a 10-month subscriber to Pokemon. I just want to let you know I'm 10-month subscriber. Okay? 10 months. Now, you're probably thinking, wow, Prime, clearly you really love Pokemon. And you're right. I do. I do. Can I get some Poke W's in chat? I need some Poke W's in chat, okay? Anyways, Prime is a Pokemon mod. Facts. All right, so let's keep on going. What exactly is the expression in our statement? Let's see, hold on. Expression produces value. Statements don't. Let x equals 5 does not produce a value, whereas 5 does. A value it produces is 5. Return 5 statement doesn't produce a value, but add 5 does. This distinction, the expression produces a value, statements don't, changes depending on who you ask, but it's good enough for our needs. What exactly an expression is or a statement? What produces values and what doesn't depends on the programming language. In some languages, function literals, i.e. functions, are expressions that and can be used in any place where other expressions is allowed. Other expression is allowed. In other programming languages, though, function literals can only be part of a function declaration statement in the top level of the program.
Welcome to Costco.
Some languages also
I
have
love
if
you.
expressions where conditionals are expressions and produce values. This entirely dependent on the choices of the language designers made. As you'll see, a lot of things in monkeys are expressions, including function literals. But back to our AST. Looking at the example above, we can see that we need two different types of nodes: expressions. Let's say expressions and statements. Take a look at our AST. Okay, so I need to program pretty much this exact same thing, but I need to do it in TypeScript. Jess Creer, thank you for the tier 1 2 months. Let's go. Okay, who else has little Pokey W? Who else? Let's go. Let's go, Pick. Let's go, Pick. Pick. Okay, real talk, Pick. Pick. I need you to talk in Pokey's chat. Pick, how many months? Pick is continuing. Oh, no, that is even better. Did you guys look at that? Did you guys look at that? Oh, did you guys look at that? Oh, my goodness. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? No, I don't want to lose it. No, did I lose it? No. No, I didn't. Pick is continuing the gifted sub. That's opt-in, Pick. Cut. 4K. 440. 1440. Got him. Got him so good. Got him. Thank you. Cut 4K. 255K. So many dollars. The Pick is oddly silent. He's like, Pokesip called it. What does gifting a sub mean? Well, Officer Cheeky Breaky, you can gift other people subs so they can do something like this. Primeagen Sexy, and use my very sexiest emote, Primeagen Sexy. As you can see, I squirted out the sexy in that emote. That's bait. It means that you gentle suckle upon the appendages of which Twitch's love muscles of others. Yeah, for others. Yeah, this. Look at those sexy faces. Okay, that's sexy. All the way. You can also Clappy. And you can also Harpoon Man. Well, I thought that it was Nicolas Cage. You thought? Not offended. Not offended. Pick. Can you say something? Can you say something in the chat? I want to see how many months are you subscribed, Pick. Expose yourself to me, Pick. Pick, expose you to me. Why are you and all your VIPs subbed? That scared the marmalade out of me. Just scared me. Goodness gracious. Scared me. Wooing. I was really hoping. Yes. Okay, Pick. How many at you at? Oh, Pick. You're only a 9-month? You're only a 9-month? Okay. Yeah, you're not a real fan, okay? 10-monther here, okay, Pick? I knew it. You weren't a real fan this whole time. You weren't a real one. You only subbed to Pokimane because you thought I would think you're cool. I'm not inviting you to my Fortnite party. Poser. So no programming today. We're clearly programming. All right. Lithium, by the way, that terrified me. Lithium's pockets are as deep as Primeagen's. There for a second. Okay, let's do this. We're back. Refresh. Node.ts. Okay. Here, I'm going to call this thing base.ts because I bet you we're going to want a lot of stuff. How much do you want to bet we're probably just going to want the whole damn thing in one file? Let's just start off with one. Let's not pretend like I know what's going to happen here. You know what I mean? There's no F's in chat. Stop trolling. I actually did get an F. Go to kick. Yeah, I could try going to kick. A few frames. Yeah. All right, so we don't even know what we're going to want, but we're definitely going to want something like this. Do I do a class, or do I do probably interface? Damn, T, you just got done doing a tier 3 sub, and now you're dropping the 20 banger. You and Lithium just gave me 20 bangs in a row. That's 40 bangs. That it makes me almost want to Spill my load into the well again. Kev! Kev! Your tweet replies are getting cursed. I love it. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you, dude. Kev Jumbo, I genuinely appreciate that. I genuinely do appreciate that. Please, people, if you have cursed things to say about gift, put it in here. Let's do one grug, please. Damn, should we do one grug? That scared me. It did scare me. It actually did scare me, but luckily I'm too tough for it. I work out. I don't get scared anymore. You know what I mean? Like, it's not gonna happen to me. You know what I mean? Oh, baby, we're flying, okay? We're flying right now, okay? We're feeling funky. We are feeling funky fresh. Okay, statement, implements. Can I do implements node? Can I do that on, ooh, come on, girl. You know it. You know it. I know it. Let's know it together. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, man, this feels good. Okay, this feels good. Let's go right here. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, too many. Too many. Wait. Why is... Oh, I'm doing the wrong way. That's why. Oh. Oh, I gotta pee a little bit. I gotta pee a little bit all of a sudden. Oh, I gotta pee. Okay, you can't do that? Damn. I was really hoping you could do that. I was really hoping I could just do that, but I can't. Token literal. Let's just go like this. Well, let's... You know what? We don't need that. You know what I mean? We can just do that. We can just do that. Screw the whole node thing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right, does that look good? Would it be worth it to learn TypeScript? TypeScript can be a very good thing if you don't know about types, especially. I think it's a good place to start. Came here to get motivated to work with JS. Come on, you got it. You got it, girl! Extends. I could use a type. Maybe a type is a better... Oh, extends? Oh, girl, I didn't even realize you could do that. Girl. Extends? Really? What a stupid thing they did there. Extends is for... That's a... Again, me gusta. You don't need expression node and statement node. They're just a thing he does to make the compiler happy. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm going to do it. That is why I'm going to do it. Should we use this or should we use a type? Is a type better here? You know, I typically don't ever use this kind of stuff. Ah, crap. See, crap. Okay, so this is actually good that we're doing this. This is actually really good we're doing this because I just realized I have to call it something like that. You know what I mean? Oh, wrong one. Oh, I just found my well. Lithium. Thank you. Lithium. Lithium. Lithium, baby, I appreciate that. I want to let you know how much let's say, you're really taking the KISS model to heart lately, huh? I am. Thank you so dang much. Just many appreciations. I want you to know that you make me feel something I've never felt before. All right. Okay, thank you. How do you replace all? By doing it. I guess what I could do is I could do a boolean here if we really didn't want to do a function, but I'm just going to do a function because honestly it just makes sense. I actually watched without sound. I had no idea it makes a sound pop. That is such a lie. Lithium, you are such a liar, Lithium. It should be interface, edible. Your take on algebraic data types. I'm too stupid to know what they are. All right. Should I buy a PS5 for Final Fantasy 16? Go for it. We have 3 interfaces called node, statement, and expression. For every node in our AST has to implement the node interface, meaning it has to provide the token literal. The method that returns the literal value of the token it's associated with token literal will be used only for debugging and testing. The AST we're going to construct consists solely of nodes that are connected to each other. It's a tree after all, and some of those nodes implement the statement as some of the expression interface. These interfaces only contain dummy methods called statement node and expression node respectively. They are not strictly necessary but help us by guiding the Go compiler to possibly causing it to throw errors when we use a statement where an expression should have been and vice versa. So I think to be able to do this well in TypeScript, what we're really going to want is we're going to want a type right here, and we're going to want this AST. Let's see, we're going to probably want AST node type equals expression, or probably, this is probably the way to do it well in TypeScript is my guess. I really hate guessing these kind of things because it always is such a sucky thing to do. You know what I mean?
That scared me.
T! T. Thank you.
Welcome to Costco.
The Raycon. Let's
love
go.
you.
Thank you very much. Banshay, let's go. Prime for a Prime.
Welcome
Many
to
appreciations.
Costco.
Thank you for the brand
love
new
you.
tier 1. The brand new tier 1. Thank you. Hey, T. I'm not going to lie to you. You've been banging me hard today with those. I think it's time for you to stop, okay? I don't think that means what I think it means. Don't you try that on me.
That scared me.
Bang me once. Thank you. Bang me twice. You just don't bang a man 3 times, okay? I just want you to know that right now. That's not how this thing works, okay? You don't just... You know what I mean? $5 a month! Thank you. I'd like to let you know. Thank you. I'm going to refer to you from here on out as number 2. Let's go. Level 6 freight train, blue hair, blue hair, blue hair. What is this playlist called? This playlist is called Miss Monique Birthday Special 2021 Progressive House / Space Melodic Techno DJ Mix 4K. XQC already streaming on Twitch again. Is going to die from a mountain lion attack because you bastards are building up adrenaline resistance. Mountain lion comes and be like, bitch, get off me. You don't even know shit, mountain lion. I'm just gonna get eaten. Anyways. All right, I think that's probably the right abstraction for this. Like, I think that's right. Okay, let's implement our first node. Program is a list of statements. Function P program token literal. If length of statements is this, then we get the token literal of the first statement, else we return nothing. Okay, yes. I knew that this was Monique. Sorry, all caps. Now you're just excited. Dude's still live. Please tell me you're joking, Gerbil. Wait, what is Gerbil doing? Is he trying to get up somewhere where he's not supposed to? Thoughts on C++ as a first programming language for new programmers? Was that joke too much? Real talk, Prime. I found you first in 2019 for Vim, and I've since become a Vim fiend and became a much better programmer. Thank you for that. I'm going to go to sleep now. Hey, go to sleep, baby. Hey, I'm a Muslim. Can I wath the stream? Can I wath the stream? You can. Wath on, wath off, my friend. Friends don't let friends C++. That's true. Just program in C to begin with. When are you going to try Elixir? I'm going to go with OCaml. Go for it, buddy. Like inline and static and mutable. Prime, do you have any Prime, do you have any interest learning Elm? Nope. Try reverse engineering. C is the way a better start. I did OCaml back in university. Man, that was fun. Yeah, Grub says OCaml good. Yeah, that's not how you pronounce Haskell. Haskell nerds every time. All right, so anyways, let's do this. So I think we can do a program pretty easy. Now you'll notice that I'm just programming it all in one big ass file, and somehow Copilot's listening to us. No! No! I hate that. Oh my goodness. Let statements are literally the next one. Let statements are the next one. Let's say, okay. Oh, no. 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 What are you going to do next? If you do identifier, you're a liar. No. 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 If the next thing's return, I'm going to have a freak out. All right, it's going through all this. Yeah. Okay, what's the next one? It's the devil. Okay, Copilot. It's the devil. Okay, it's the devil running Copilot. Okay, you can see into the future. What the hell did I just read right here? Boy, you better not be speaking English as your first language after a statement like that. One does not simply pump his butt on. That's how it knows it. The book is pretty simple. Okay, so it's that one. Okay, so here I'm gonna bap those ones. And so a program. Let's see. So there's one problem is that a program is actually like a concrete type. You know what I mean? Should I do this as classes? I don't really know.
Welcome to Costco.
I'm not really sure how I want to do this. I hate classes. I hate classes for this. Because you have to put the definition in line. This is where things like, Rust really does a good job, I think. But at the exact same time, you know what I mean? This is where Rust does something better. Hey, thank you very much. I see for that tier 2 4 months. Let's go. I did struct in Rust and got stuck there. You can struct me, daddy. That makes sense in the context of the book. Yeah, I guess it does. Still kind of freaks me out though. It's kind of like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. We want token literal. Okay. Token literal. Oh wait, yeah, token literal is right here. Okay. So we have token literal. Token literal should be return this dot statements 0 dot token literal. If this dot statements dot length is greater than 0, go here, do that, put that up here, return. I think that's what he said, right? Okay, there we go. Bam, bada, bam, bada, bam, bada, bam. All right, there we go. So that looks good. So we're also going to do the exact same thing with the let statement. So a program is not really a statement. It is an AST node only. Okay, NPM is pronounced neopim. Nah. It doesn't feel good. You know what I mean? All right. Okay, that seems about right. Okay, so that means we need one more. We need an export class let statement. Ooh, hey baby. Let's see. Okay, what do they have as part of a let? I assume a let is going to have both. It's going to need kind of both sides, right? It needs an identifier and it needs an expression. Okay, so we need 2 items, but we don't have identifier quite yet done. So let's actually do class identifier first. Now, do they just call it a identifier? Should it be identifier expression or just identifier? They call it just an identifier despite it being a identifier expression. That's fine. Let's go like this. Expression equals expression. There we go. It can only be expression. And we're going to have on it, we're going to have an identifier. It only has a token. The ident token. Oh, these are tokens. We need tokens. Token. This should be a token from Lexer. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And here, just make it happen. Thank you. Here, I can just go like this. Public token. Toss it on there. Yeah, and then go, what is it? It's token literal, and I should probably return this dot token literal. You know what I mean? Called it, I call NPM, I don't know what that word is. I'm trying to fulfill what that word could be, and I don't know what it is. But you're amazingly close to something that's dangerous. You just happen to be, you know what I mean? Maybe you should try I'll give you a shot. I'll give you a shot. Just in case I'm completely wrong on where you're taking this. Chief Weed Officer, why don't you let me know? What are those asterisks? No? Well, I have to assume the worst in you then. You know what I mean? Now I have to assume the worst in you. Which means you can't spell and you're doing dumb stuff, which is like the worst possible answer of it all. Right? I was willing to give you the benefit because the lettering was not the correct amount of lettering. You know what I mean? You know, so I just figured it was like a joke, gave you an opportunity. I think it's fine. Forced to be an assumer. I didn't want to assume. You know what I mean? I didn't want to assume. All right, people. I think it's time to be done here. I got to go do work. It's 2 hours. We're late in the day. Typically, I don't stream at this time of the day. I have meetings at this point, so I got to go. I know we didn't get very far into it. We read like 5 pages. We actually really just did nothing this stream. On real talk, we just pretty much did nothing. Okay? We just did nothing. Nodes. See, that's what I said. I think clearly he meant notes. I literally asked him because I actually had no idea.
Costco.
That's why I asked him. I actually had no idea, and the problem is that there's a bunch of edgelords on Twitch, and I don't like those kind of edgelords. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I don't like those kind of edgelords. Here. I'll give you, let's see. Chief Weed Officer, are you... Giving you a chance here? Don't be an edgelord, okay? I genuinely had no idea what you meant. Okay, well, don't be an edgelord, you dummy. Okay, it just... People have to assume the worst in you. You don't want to be someone that people assume the worst in. You want people to think you're not a dummy. You know what I mean? You got it. Be better. Just because, remember, there's people that just, that's what they're going to think of you forever. Wish me well and stay humble. Thank you. I'm just trying, and we all know that Bill Gates is the truest of edgelords. Okay? I like being the class clown. Okay, well, be that. That's fine. I don't care about that. Don't be sorry, be better. Kratos. All right, who we raiding? 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 Look at that. Twitch finally has more viewers than other people. You know why? Front page. That's how you do it. That's how you win. Wow, TJ is still streaming. I'm going to raid him. We're going to raid TJ. Monty Panty. Thank you, everybody, for the subs. Thank you for the good times. Viewbotting themselves. Yeah, they're viewbotting some. Epic self-promotion Twitch. Yeah. Twitch right there on the front page. Wait, TJ, go. Yeah, so it's a good one. 1, 2, 36. So, there we go. Appreciate that. Hey, everybody, I got to go. I subbed 4 times longer to TJ than Pokimane, I know. I mean, TJ was my first Pokey. You know what I mean?